Right, question 23. Indices here, you've got to apply the rules of indices. So we're dividing. Now do the numbers first. 21 divided by 7 is just 3, isn't it? Just do the numbers. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Now with indices and powers, of course, if you think about it, when you're dividing with powers, you take away, don't you? So with this a here, right, it's lined up nicely, you take the powers away. So basically, you can have 7 over 2, that's that power there, and you're going to take away, right? You always take away powers when you're dividing. You're taking away this, which is minus 3 over 2. Okay, so you actually end up with 2 minuses, in a way, because you're doing this, 7 over 2, and you want to take away this, and that happens to be a minus number. So 2 minuses, of course, become a plus. Right? And then that becomes, of course, when you add those fractions, the bottoms are the same. 10 over 2, so that's just 5. Okay, so 8 to the power 5. Alright, and nothing wrong with writing your workings out here. Now, you've got the bracket a plus 1. Okay, same on top as bottom. Now, you've got to take away here as well. So you've got minus 3 over 2 on the top. It is a minus, as it is. And you need to take away 5 over 2. And here you could do this straight away. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 over 2. Which is minus 4, okay? So that power there would be minus 4. Job done. Now this one here, okay, again, they want to just simplify, right? That's the goal to this, simplify it. I think what I'd have to do to simplify this is sort of the top. You'd have to multiply it out, okay? So on the top, of course, you've got this bracket twice, okay? So you do FOIL here with this, okay, FOIL with this. So you do first, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Outers, okay, so that's the first. Outers, 2x times 3y, so 2 times 3 is 6, x times y is xy. Inners, 3y times 2x is 6xy again, okay, and then lasts 3y times 3y, 3 times 3 is 9, y times y is y squared. Okay, and then don't forget to take away this 9y squared here, all over 2x. Okay, and notice these cancel, and you're left with that on the top. But we're not quite done, because if you look at the top here, we could actually factorize something out. Okay, those 3 terms there, maybe I'll write them out again so it's clearer to you. But those 3 terms there, actually 6xy plus 6xy, it comes to 12xy, doesn't it? Let me sort that out first. Okay, I missed that, didn't I? So 6xy plus 6xy is 12xy. But what I'm saying on the top here now, you can factorize. This got common factors. 4 and 12. What goes into 4 and 12? Of course, 4 goes into it. X squared and x goes into it. Okay, and then there's just a y there. So bracket, what do you times by 4x to get 4x squared? Well, that's x. What do you times by 4x to get 12xy? That will be 3y. Okay, all over 2x. Now what's great about this is now the x's cancel, alright? Because x divided by x goes, it becomes 1, and 4 divided by 2 is just 2. So you end up having 2x plus 3y as your answer.